I expect everyone who has gone to the university to come out to become a job creator, not a job seeker.
Okay.
That is my strike. My name is Owino. I run a fish leather tannery in Kisumu. I'm majorly managing fish waste along the shore of Lake Victoria. In Kisumu we have 5 to 7 filleting industries. Every year they produce close to 150,000 metric tons of fish waste. 75% of these wastes are actually fish skin. Initially this used to be thrown on the surface, and this was causing a lot of environmental problems, causing human health risks, and it was also going back into the lake and causing what we call eutrophication, enriching the lake with the nutrients so that the whole thing became suitable for the growth of algae, of water. So we decided to get rid of this in a more ecological manner that can now be beneficial even to the community. So we decided to identify a number of plant extracts within Kisumu that contain tanning agents, and so far we succeeded, and we decided now to tan all the fish skin into leather. Now we identified a number of plants, as I've said, and as you know, in Kisumu our backbone economy is fishing, and the moment we use any chemicals, then we are going to kill the fish ponds, and we are going to kill the marine fauna and flora.
Yeah.
So we decided to ensure that we don't do this. So that's why we decided to adopt what we call the principle of green technology based on green chemistry in tanning. So as of now, we have a total of 288 women who are engaged in doing what we call the pre-tanning operations. We have 17 staff. Most of them are youths whom we are working with in tanning processes. Then we have a team of 37 physically challenged people who are actually helping us in ensuring that we produce the standard shoes like what you see behind me. Now this was through the support of Switch Africa Green. We in their program that promotes the green technologies like this one of mine.